What does success mean to us?
The continuous and the comprehensive evaluation, it indeed has changed the life of the students and the teachers both. And I would say positively so, because where earlier it used to be only the term end exams which would give the verdict of whether the child has followed what the school has been teaching or not. Now it is more continuous in nature.
English is not just a subject, it is a language. It cannot be taught only through the textbooks. Children need some practical training too. ASL, I would say, has given me that opportunity. I'm able to sharpen their speaking and listening skills. Apart from the reading and writing skills,
regular visits to the language lab have helped me improve my grades immensely, because now I can interpret by listening. Thank you ASL, thank you CCE.
No doubt. Well, listening to these sound clips has not only improved my listening skills, but my speaking skills as well. Now, I can speak on any topic with full confidence.
The reading project has introduced me to a new dimension of my personality. Earlier, I was not aware of the deep hunger for reading within me. But now, thanks to CCE, I have become an avid reader.
After reading The Diary of a Young Girl, I've also started maintaining a diary.
The idea to launch Tod Ford Jod was brought forward by the National Innovation Council and is recognized by the Prime Minister's Office. It gives the students the freedom to dismantle any gadget to gain hands-on experience of assembling the same and understand the scientific principles behind their working. It encourages students to learn from experience rather than textbooks.
Tod Ford Jod Club brings all my fantasies to life. Today, I can make those things which I just read about in the past. I have my self-made solar panel, torches and many other gadgets that I can use at my home. It definitely helps me to boost my confidence.
CCE gives us ample time to implement what we have been learning in the classroom. The Tod Ford Jod Club aims at triggering youth innovation. Here the children open up the gadgets and grasp the concepts better.
CCE aims at constant evaluation. Maths activities in the form of laboratory and special events like the Maths Lab and the Maths Week, they are designed in such a way that they foster both technical and visualization skills in the students. These activities help in better content coverage and longer retention among the students. No wonder Maths is no longer the dry subject that it used to be, and my students always look forward to their visit to the Maths Lab.
Maths is not that difficult now. It's no more boring.
One of the major benefits are that under CCE it is more diagnostic and remedial in nature, where it is not just the academics which are being evaluated, but at the same time whatever other activities that the children are doing in the school are evaluated also, whether it is the co-curricular activities, it is the multidisciplinary projects that we do, and it is also the sports that the children are participating in, whether they are taking the trips, they are taking the field trips, or they are doing the projects, or they are doing the singing or the dancing or the artwork in school. Everything is being evaluated. So the moment the child steps into the school and starts doing something in the school, the child is being graded for that. So there is a lot of motivation amongst the children, and there is a lot of fun that the children have while learning.
CBSE has introduced interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary projects which can also be evaluated through annual functions and class assemblies. In such events, the students are evaluated for their performance on various parameters such as creativity, responsibility, teamwork, citizenship, attitudes and values, aesthetic skills, literary skills, and visual and performing arts as a part of their formative assessment. According to CCE, students' participation in sports activities is compulsory as they play a very vital role in the development of their mental strength and physical fitness. Keeping in sync with this idea, the students are encouraged to participate in various sporting activities, which not only charges them for the academic rigors of the day, but also develops various life skills like teamwork, sportsman spirit, leadership quality, and decision making. The life skills thus acquired is given due weightage in their report card. Now, schools have started organizing interactive sessions on study skills and handling stress. These sessions primarily focus on setting a SMART goal, planning, managing time, prioritizing the work, along with providing tips for handling exam anxiety. Besides, peer educators have been appointed so that adolescents can freely discuss their behavioral issues and difficulties with their peers. They also communicate and discuss issues like gender biases and substance abuse. Such discussions make the students empowered individuals. A factory visit allows the students to gain an understanding of the company's importance to the community and to see firsthand how a company works. It is much easier for students to understand the complexities of a factory by seeing it work rather than by reading about it. Due to acquisition of additional life skills like thinking, social and emotional skills, students are expected to meet different life situations with greater maturity. Through CCE, their knowledge is upgraded in both scholastic as well as co-scholastic areas. This involves development of psychomotor, cognitive and affective domains, values and life skills. Parents are also happy that their children are getting a platform to be actively involved in their own learning. Thus, CCE is a potpourri of academics, sports, arts and values among students.
परिवर्तन नियम जीवन का, नियम अब नया बनेगा। परिवर्तन नियम जीवन